In this video, we're going to talk about how to buy, recharge, and check the balance of your Metro card in Panama City, Panama. There are three types of Metro card: normal, student, and senior. Student and senior Metro cards have special discount prices. You need to meet certain requirements and apply for it at a customer service center. You can find these centers at four metro stations: Los Andes, Iglesia del Carmen, Cinco de Mayo, and Albrook. Normal Metro cards can be bought at all metro stations. Find the ticket kiosk area, or boletería in Spanish. And before anything else, you need to read and understand the signs on top of each kiosk. The signs can be separated into three parts. The first line is recarga, which means recharge. The second line will tell you if you can pay with bills or coins. Solo billetes means only bills. Moneda y billetes means coin and bills. The third line will tell you if the kiosk can give you change. No entrega vuelto means doesn't give change. Sí entrega vuelto means does give change. And the last line, venta de tarjeta, means card sales. So, to buy a new card, look for the kiosk that has a sign on top that says venta de tarjeta. For this specific kiosk, even though the top sign says it does give change, below in the small sign it says it doesn't give change. Our recommendation is to just assume that none of the kiosks will give you change. Always have some smaller bills and coins with you to avoid recharging a lot of money on your card. The next step is to change the language to English on the top right corner of the screen. Then press on Buy Transfer Card. The card costs $2. The second line doesn't apply because we already know that this kiosk is not going to give us change. So the other option will be to insert the exact amount or use the excess amount to recharge the new card. After reading the instructions, press on Accept. Now proceed to pay. This kiosk accepts both coins and bills. For coins, you can insert them in the vertical slot in the middle of the machine, and for bills, the slot is in the lower part of the machine. It only accepts $1, $5, and $10 bills. Every time you insert cash, you'll see the inserted amount being updated on the screen. When you're done, press on Pay. Once the loading is complete, retrieve your card. Press on Confirm and then take your receipt. Depending on the metro station, you might find different machines in the kiosk area. At the airport station, all kiosks have the option to buy the metro card and change the language to English. At Albrook Station, there is only one kiosk that sells Metro cards. At Iglesia del Carmen Station, there are 4 entrances and exits, 2 on each side. Only one side has one kiosk that sells Metro card. On the other side, you need to buy the Metro card at the customer service center window. To recharge your card, insert your card in the slot that says Inserte tarjeta para recarga. Press on Pay by Cash, review your card information, and press on Proceed. You can insert cash in coins or bills. The amount will be updated in the line Total to Receive. After you are done, press on the Pay button. Wait while it's loading, then you'll see your new balance in the line Balance After Operation. Press on Confirm and retrieve your card. To check your MetroCard balance, the quickest and easiest way is to tap your card on a green machine, and the mini screen will show you the balance. The other way is to use the kiosk. Insert your card in the slot that says Inserte tarjeta para recarga. Press on Check Card Balance, and the screen will show you your card balance. Press on Back, then retrieve your card. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe.